Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Armida Bernardo. I am 40 years old, I am single, and I am a high school graduate. I have 2 years experience in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper. My duties there are cleaning, washing, and ironing clothes. I do car washing also. Now, I am here in Hong Kong for almost 6 years in one employer. There are 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 children. My duties are taking care of the children, cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing clothes. I do the car washing also and taking care of the 2 cats. Ma'am and sir, if you choose me, I do my best to this job. I am hardworking, kind, honest, trustworthy, and responsible. Ma'am and sir, thank you and God bless.